Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase and decrease the icon size on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now from here, tap on accessibility. Now from here, tap on vision. Now from here, scroll down and tap on display size. Now from here, if you want to decrease the size of your icons, just swipe to the left and it will decrease the size of your icons as you can see in the preview. Just like that. Now from here, once you have decreased the size of your icons, just tap on done. Now from here, tap on OK. Now if you go to your home screen, now as you can see, we have successfully decreased the size of our icons. Just like that. Now if you want to increase the size of your icons, just go back. Now from here, tap on display size. Now from here, just swipe from the left to the right and increase the size of your icons. Just like that. Now once you have increased the size of your icons, just tap on done. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, now as you can see, we have successfully increased the size of our icons. And this is how you can increase or decrease the size of your icons on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.